So in this tutorial we will see how to use loops in Dart programming. So basically before starting the uh, working on loop, I would give you a short introduction about what are loops and how to use them. So basically in the computer programming, a loop is a sequence of instructions which is continually repeated until a certain conditions is true or so typically a certain process is done such as getting an item of data and changing it, and then some condition is checked such as whether a counter has reached a prescribed number or not. So it would clear you when we use the loops in program. So let's start the working of loop. Write main function, and here so before starting I want to give you a clarify about why we use loops in Dart. So for example, I want to print the specific text up to 10 times or 100 times, then we can simply use print statement. For example, I want to print hello 10 times. So if I copy it and print 10 times, okay, so here I have declared basically 8 times hello. So if I execute, it would work. It is working. So here you can see that we it it is taking a time to using to printing hello words for 8 times. So it is taking time because we have to declare print statement 8 times, and then the length of code is increasing. So if I have to print the hello 1,000 times, then it will take a lot of time, and then it will take also it will also increase the length of the program. So to overcome this problem, we will use loops in program. So here I am going to use for loop in program. Basically we have total three types of loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. All three loops are same in their working, but the syntax of every loop is different from others. So basically working of every loop is same, however the syntax is different. So in loop for loop we have to declare our braces, and in braces we need to declare initialize the variable, declare and initializing the initialization the variable, and then the condition that how many times you want to execute the loop, and then the operator increment or decrement. For example, if I want to decrease the number up to specific time, then I will use decrement operator, and if I want to increase the number up to specific time, increase the condition up to specific time, then we will use increment operator. So basically in for loop we have total three parts. The first part is initialization. So for initialization I will write first the data type of variable, and here I will write data a variable name and assigning the value to variable I, which is 1, and here I will specify condition that how many times my loop would be executed for. So here I want to execute it 10 times, and here I will specify is it incremented or decremented. So here I want to execute from 1 to 10, then obviously it is incrementing. So here I will write plus 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 plus, and here open the body of for loop. So here I will use print statement, and in object print statement I want to print hello 10 times. So if I execute it, then it will print hello 8 times, like here so it will show you that how many times hello is printing. So here you can see that hello is printing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 times. So in three lines we are achieving the same thing which we were using by declaring 8 times print statement and the length of code was increasing. But by using for loop and loops in programming, we can uh, decrease the time and decrease the length of codes. So this is the basically thing, this is the base main purpose of using loops. So if I had changed the condition from 10 to 100, then it will execute and it will print hello 100 times. So you can see that if I use the same method, that printing statement, then it will take a lot of time, but here by changing condition, we achieve the same purpose within